Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Inflation. It's the word on everyone's mind right now. Prices are skyrocketing, your groceries cost more, and somehow your paycheck just isn't stretching like it used to. But why is this happening? What's really going on? Today, we're diving deep in the latest US CPI inflation data to break it all down for you. You don't want to miss this. So, first things first, what is CPI? The Consumer Price Index. CPI measures the average change over time in prices paid by urban consumers for goods and services. It's essentially a cost of living tracker. CPI includes food, housing, energy, gas, electricity, transportation, healthcare. February, the Consumer Price Index (CPI) increased by 0.2% on a seasonally adjusted basis, following a 0.5% rise in January. Over the past 12 months, the All Items Index rose by 2.8%. A slight decline from the 3.0% increase recorded in. Let's take a closer look at specific categories. Shelter. Prices increased by 0.3% in February, making a significant contribution to the overall CPI rise. Airline fares declined by 4.0%, providing some relief to travelers. Gasoline. Prices fell by 1.0%, though the broader energy index edged up by 0.2% due to increases in electricity and natural gas costs. Food. Overall food prices rose by 0.2%. Notably, egg prices. So what does this mean for monetary policy? The slowdown in inflation gives the Federal Reserve some much-needed breathing room. It could mean keeping interest rates steady for now. But hold on, because things could change. Factors like new import tariffs are on the horizon, and they might shake up future inflation trends. We'll have to keep a close watch on what happens next. Speaking of tariffs, the US just implemented a 25% tariff on steel and aluminum imports, and the world is reacting. The European Union and Canada aren't staying silent. They've announced countermeasures, targeting a range of US goods. This isn't just a trade dispute. It could send shockwaves through global trade and ultimately impact inflation. The big question now, how will this all play out? We'll be watching closely. Interestingly, the stock market had a surprising reaction to the softer-than-expected inflation data. It rallied. The Nasdaq jumped, driven by strong gains in major tech stocks. But before getting too excited, experts are urging caution. They emphasize that while this is a positive sign, it's crucial to keep an eye on upcoming economic indicators before making any big investment moves. The question is, will this momentum last? Time will tell. So to sum it all up, February's CPI data shows inflation is cooling, which could give the Federal Reserve some flexibility on monetary policy. But don't get too comfortable just yet. External factors like trade policies and global economic shifts could shake things up in the months ahead. We'll be keeping a close eye on how it all unfolds, so stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates.